How would you like to wake up to this view every morning? Absolutely fabulous home tour for you guys. Listed by my friend Jen Miller-Moore with Chenoweth & Cohen. You have the chance to purchase this fabulous home. So we're gonna do a tour. It's gonna be a little bit out of order because the seller is mowing in the front and I don't want to deal with that noise. So we're gonna start right here in the backyard. Absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, we're in a gated community, this fabulous luxury home. It's got designer finishes throughout. This is kind of like a separate guest suite, and you can see they have their own patio access, which is really awesome. Huge patio door there, entertaining space. You have the outdoor fireplace. Absolutely stunning. You do also have a balcony up there, which we'll go check out in just a second. Let's head back in here and show you some of this fabulous home. So you do have the tile floors throughout, which is great. You've also got this amazing island with the shaker cabinets, of course, stone counters, undermounted sink, gas range, pot filler, the classic subway tiles on the back. Love the lighting. You do have these 3 picture windows in your main living here with the stone fireplace. Absolutely stunning. I'll turn around and show you the front door here. And then around this way, that's gonna be your pantry right there. And then over here, you also have a butler's pantry, which is really cool. So again, another undermounted sink, more cabinet space, storage. In here is going to be that unfinished attic, which, hey, while I got it open, we'll just go check it out really quick. And look at this. So of course, this could be finished out if you so choose. You do have even more storage over here. So if you finish out this part, obviously all of that could be floored. You do have insulation on the ceiling as well, so keeps the temperatures down up here. And then this would be your access to this absolutely stunning view off of your own private balcony. Amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna head back downstairs. We'll check out some more of this house. So we just came out of there, and this is gonna be the absolutely gorgeous garage. Stunning. You have plenty of space for a shop. You do also have a tankless water heater there as well. And it's almost like a speed tour today. Here is this whole separate first floor suite. So you have shower, closet space, full bath right here. And then you do have your own access to that back patio. And then we'll go this way. So back to the right of the front door, you do have some bedrooms. Here's a full bath right here. And these 2 bedrooms, really nice ample closet space there. We'll check out the other one. And again, just a flipped version. And we'll head across the way here back to the living room to the other wing. You do have bedroom here, closet space, really good sized rooms. And here's a Pullman bath between the 2 bedrooms. Here's the other one. We'll move through this way. Here is your utility room, laundry room. This one has the snooze feature, so we'll go right in here to that primary closet. Loads of space. I'll move this door here. Absolutely gorgeous. And wait for it, imagine having your luxurious spa bathtub day and looking out at this view. You really can't beat it. I mean, that will sell the house right there, let me tell you. You do have the rain shower head for the shower, and then obviously that great view while you're showering in the morning. You have dual vanities as well with the shaker cabinet design. And then that's your toilet area right there. And here is the primary bedroom. 3 picture windows. That one in the middle does open, which is kind of a nice feature if you like that indoor-outdoor feel. You do have access to the patio as well. Let me know what you think about this house. Would you live here? I would love your feedback. And before you go though, I'm gonna go outside as soon as they're done mowing and show you that amazing front profile of the house. You have loads of yard space. It's pretty fabulous. And again, it is gated as well. It's kind of like, this neighborhood is like the best kept secret in this area. And you get this great view. I mean, come on, doesn't get better than that. So, well, as soon as my camera focuses, see that? Is that gorgeous? So let's go check out the front on the outside. So they were still mowing, so I'll just do a quick voiceover, but gorgeous garage here, ample room for all of your toys, you know, boats, ATVs, golf carts, whatever it is that you have, and of course cars. Great view of the lake right there when you pull in and out of your garage. You do have the brick and stone exterior. Love these sconces as well, and a great front entrance here. More patio space covered, of course. Great front door. Love the windows. It's just all around pretty fantastic. And look at this front yard. Absolutely serene. It is absolutely fabulous out here. So if you're interested in this house, of course, reach out to me. I would love to show it to you. You really can't beat those lake views. It is truly serene. Like, that's luxury living at its finest. So, of course, like and subscribe for more home tours like this. And if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa or any of the surrounding communities, reach out to me. I would love to help you make that smooth transition, and I'll see you in the next one.